Okay, so if you would like to learn how to make payments on your Facebook advertising, here's how to do it. By now, I expect you to have the Meta Ads Manager app. In case you don't have it, just go to your Google Play Store and download Meta Ads. This is how the application looks. Okay, so click on Meta Ads, and then once it loads, the first thing you need to do is to click on this settings icon by the down side corner of your screen here, and then click on payments. Now, what you need to do if you want to select a payment method that can allow you to make prepaid payments or postpaid payments is to click on add payment method here, as you can see. Now, this is where you need to pay close attention, and the thing is, the first option is, which is the default or recommended option by Facebook, is the debit or credit card option. Okay, and then the second option is the Naira payment with MasterCard/Visa. As you can see, beside Visa you see PayU. Now, the first option will allow you to make postpaid payments, but the problem with this option is that most Nigerian cards tend to have issues. Okay, like if you add the card to your ad account and you want to make payments, you may find it hard to be able to run transactions on your Meta ads, or they may find it hard to deduct your payment, probably because your bank does not allow for such transactions. Okay, and there's nothing you can really do about it, unless if maybe you have to apply for another card with your bank, probably a better debit card like Visa or MasterCard, or probably if you choose to change your bank and switch to another bank. Okay, but the best and most reliable option I'm currently using, which is the prepaid method, is the Naira payment with MasterCard/Visa or PayU. Okay, so the first thing to do is to click on the second option, as you can see here. Once you select it, then click next, and then you add the amount that you want. You can literally add any amount that you want, but currently the default amount that Facebook usually shows is 4,500 naira, but you can adjust it. Okay, and just type in 1,000 naira and then click on next. Now, once you are here, the next thing to do, let me zoom it a little, is to click on this continue. As you can see, they said complete your payment with PayU. Please note that the payment page will open in a new window and it closes automatically at the completion of payment. Ensure no pop-up blocker is enabled. Now, just click on continue, and then it will show you a form to fill. Okay, so this is where you now type in your card number and then your card holder name. That's the name that appears on the ATM card that you want to use to make the payment or add funds with. Then you select the month, and then you select the year that the card or the ATM card is going to expire. Once you do that, don't forget to select this card option here. Okay, then click on pay. Once you click on it, it's going to load and then take you to a secured gateway that will automatically deduct the money from your account. So that's basically how to add funds. And once you are done with the process, you will now see the amount that you've added, which is the 1,000 naira in your ad account balance. Okay, and in case you are afraid that you might get scammed by these people, this PayU is a verified platform by Facebook. Okay, it's a platform that has been verified by Facebook to serve as a payment gateway for countries or places or for people that want to pay for advertisement, but due to one issue or the other, they are finding it difficult, and so you can use this as an alternative. It's very, very reliable and secure. Okay, they won't steal your payment card information. It's safe and secure. Once you enter your details, they won't scam you. Okay, so feel free to enter your details and then make the payment. Once you make the payment, it will load and tell you that it's successful. If it's not successful, most likely it's because you probably don't have up to the amount that you've added, so you might consider reducing the amount. Okay, So once you are done with that and you want to check your balance to see if the transaction has been successful, just click on the back button and then select payment. Then you see your balance here under this prepaid funds subheading. Okay, so that's basically how to add money into your Facebook ad account to start making payments for your Facebook advertising. And if you like to learn how to run Facebook advertising on your smartphone using your Facebook app and your to drive traffic from your Facebook to your WhatsApp business account to get more customers in 2023, I have a complete tutorial that shows you basically the main things, the key things you need to know when setting up an advert on your smartphone and how to get it done with ease within minutes. Okay, so I'll drop the link to that video down below in the comments. And also, if you like to find a tutorial that will teach you from A to Z and also provide you with mentorship and a support group with the opportunity to ask questions anytime you are stuck or you need help, I also drop a link to a video that I will recommend for you to use, which is very reliable. Okay, so that's it for now. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so that anytime I drop a new video like this, automatically YouTube will send you a notification to come and watch it for free. So that's it for now. Bye. And lest I forget, in case you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments. Whenever I'm less busy, I'll try my best to give you an answer that will guide you through. Okay.